Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on cruise control in your Chevy Cruze. We'll cover locating the controls, activating the system, adjusting your speed, and safely disengaging it. This guide will help you confidently use this convenient feature for a more relaxed driving experience on long journeys. Let's get started by finding those important buttons on your steering wheel. Once you've located the controls, the first step is to press the on/off button, usually marked with a symbol resembling a speedometer. This illuminates an indicator light on your dashboard, confirming the system is ready. Next, accelerate your Chevy Cruze to your desired cruising speed, ensuring you are above 25 miles per hour. Finally, press the set button to lock in that speed, and your vehicle will maintain it automatically. Adjusting your speed while cruise control is active is simple. To increase your speed, press the RES/plus button. Each press typically increases your speed by 1 mile per hour, or you can hold it for a continuous increase. To decrease your speed, press the SET/ button. If you temporarily disengage by braking, simply press the RES button to return to your last set speed without having to reset it. There are several ways to safely disengage cruise control. For a temporary pause, simply press the cancel button. This will turn off the cruise control function but keep the system enabled, allowing you to resume later. Alternatively, a light tap on the brake pedal will also disengage it. To completely turn off the entire system, press the on/off button again, and the dashboard indicator light will extinguish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.